What's the best way to review AI code? Assume that it has issues, then try to break it. This is AI Coding Decoded. You won't catch everything reading AI code line by line. Instead, feed it the worst inputs you can think of. The stuff that breaks may not be what you expected. I'll also show you how a second AI finds the errors that you'd still miss. In over 25 years as a professional developer and supervising developers, here's what I've seen. Most people skim code. Their own code, their coworkers' code, and now AI code. They skim it, it looks fine, they approve it, and honestly, for a human reading someone else's code, looks fine will often be about the best you get because of the reader's lack of complete context and a limited understanding of how the system works overall. While reading code will find things, it isn't a complete solution. When you're reading the code and the developer's comments, you're basically looking at the code the way the author intended it. An attacker doesn't read your code, they poke at it. So to review like one, stop asking, is this written well? And start asking, what happens if I do something unusual here? Watch this. Normal input, fine. Now what if a user pastes in a giant string? What if they send a negative number? What if they type something that's a command instead of data? That's not a bug that a linter catches. It's a trust assumption that users will only enter reasonable data, and it's a big thing that AI code can get wrong, particularly with regards to input that violate business logic that the AI doesn't know about. The fix isn't just to write better prompts, it's to become the hostile user before anyone else does. So how do you actually hunt for this? There's two parts to this. One you do yourself, and one where a second AI checks the code for you. And this second part can catch what even a senior developer will miss. Part one is you. Feed in your own worst case inputs. Ask, what's the most malicious thing a user could put here? A massive file? A weird format? A request that should fail? If the code handles it, good. If it breaks, you've just found a bug. Part two is using a second AI as your tester. Take your code, paste it into a different AI, and ask it one thing. Identify inputs that could break this code and suggest fixes. Assume that attackers may try malicious inputs. This is the same code with a fresh set of eyes and no shared assumptions. The second AI tool doesn't know what the first one was trying to achieve. It only sees what's there. That's exactly why it catches what the first AI and you missed. One human pass with hostile inputs and one pass from a second AI. That's the whole idea. It turns reviewing code into hunting for holes, and in most cases you'll find some. And it will only take a few minutes. So stop reading AI code like it's a colleague's draft. Assume it's broken, feed it the worst you can imagine, and let a second AI take a swing at it. This will help you find the holes before it ships. What's the worst input you've ever broken your own code with? Drop it in the comments. And subscribe for more AI Coding Decoded, because next up I'm going to show you how to run the tests that check whether your code is just working or actually right, and those aren't the same thing.